Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I bought a new plant for my greenhouse. It's a Ferocactus Schwarzii. So now I'm going to remove it from the nursery pot to a new pot. This plastic pot here. It's a size 12 pot. So I'm going to start with some lava rock on the bottom to help draining the soil. Okay, now I'm going to put some new soil, a lot of pebbles and little rocks so you guys can see. Okay. More. It's almost good. So I'm going to get it. I have a tweezer. So, oops, it's too high. I need to adjust a little bit the soil. Okay, new roots, beautiful roots. Okay, now I'm going to use my tweezer. Okay, put some new soil, some new compost. Okay, I'm going to get out tweezer. The tweezer again. Too many spines, too long. Actually, it's not that easy to repot Ferocactus. Need to change this a little bit. Okay, there we go. I usually like to center the plant in the middle of the pot. That's why I'm too picky with the location. Usually I don't like to use a very oversized pot. I like to use a pot that is big enough for the plant and that's it. So we don't have a ton of soil around the roots. Almost done. Get the spoon. Just trying to compress a little bit more. I'm going to decorate a little bit with some stones. That's it. Okay, it's good enough. I'm going to reuse this label. Okay, and that's it. It's in a new pot. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. It's beautiful. And it's ready to go to the big boys collection. I have a big boy section here in the greenhouse. Okay, earlier today I bought I think it's a mammillaria. This beautiful mammillaria here. Okay, just some this beautiful mammillaria. Bought these two plants today, and they are just repotted, both of them, and they are going to the big boys area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is it for the video. Thank you so much. Bye.